Sorry ass DJ.
Good job. Demo on a safe. I'm gonna show you what it's look like. This safe ain't no little safe. Hey Ethan, doing a little video. Let me get you in the video.
What?
This is the safe. Pretty big safe. Let me show you the front of the door. This is the third day working on this thing. It's probably gonna take another 3 days. The biggest problem is this door right here is 2 inches thick, but I gotta drop it. And I'm filleting the pieces out.
And this piece back here.
I'm gonna cut a piece right across here.
Look at this piece.
And then come.
It's thick, bro.
Okay.
Put your hand like this.
So, give you more updates tomorrow.
Like that side. Oh my God. Might go down. You ain't going nowhere till you move it. Alright, y'all ready?
Don't.
I'm kicking. Hold on, nigga. Hold on, nigga.
I ain't worried about the ratchet, I'm worried about you. Okay?
Ready? It's done. Alright. Y'all ready? See if you guys, it ain't going nowhere. That thing ain't falling. Ah! It's not going nowhere.
See that? That's how you take a door off a hinge. They said it couldn't be done, but with these two guys right here, the best two on my team right here. Besides that little midget guy I got. So I guess we leave that like that. That door right there, it's gotta weigh about 3,000, 4,000 pounds. The whole safe itself weighs 10,000 pounds. Hey Ethan, give me that piece right there, that little piece right there, so I can show them how we had to get this door off the hinge. We had to cut this door off the hinge like this. Woo! That piece is fucking hot!
Hot?
Yeah, that's a piece of, pick it up and puzzle so we can show them. Put it right there to show them how we had to take a grinder and cut this little piece off right here and right here on this side. Now move it so they'll see what it look like. So this is the kind of work I be doing. I be doing a lot, and I'm not done yet. This right here, the door was the most difficult thing for me to do. And the rest of it is gonna be done. So I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. The safe that got dropped. See, I put 2 heavy tires on the floor so I won't crack the concrete floor once that heavy ass 3,000 pound, 4,000 pound door hit the floor, and another piece fell on top of it. And so this is all I got left of it tomorrow. So I got to chip up some more cement up top, up there. And this is going to be a tight spot for me to work between the wall, about a foot difference. So I got to fillet this thing from the inside. So I started a line right here, and I'm going across this way with it, and this corner is going to be a problem. So tomorrow I should be done with this. This is like a 3 or 4 day job. You know, I do a lot of stuff, but I don't do stuff this difficult. But I don't let nothing beat me.